Once again on our Tuesday evening, hope you had a great day. First alert weather days for tomorrow and Thursday. Specifically tomorrow, we're looking at late afternoon through the late evening hours. Afternoon snow showers turning into more of a moderate snow for a brief period by tomorrow evening. 1 to 2 inches expected in eastern North Dakota. In fact, some areas not even an inch. Then we look at 2+ in western Minnesota. Again, poor travel conditions, slick, icy roads. That's the reason we have this first alert weather evening in place, plus some accumulating snow. Again, just that traveling component, that's the part that is the real concern. First alert forecast, going to kind of walk you through tonight and tomorrow. Notice winds out of the southeast, not very strong, but enough so to kind of help hold our temperatures above the 0 mark in just about all places tomorrow morning. Temperatures continue to warm the teens, even 20. Winds will pick up a little bit during the daytime hours. Now notice we've got some snow showers working their way through the region. I think mid to late afternoon. Then that line that's bringing a little bit more intense snow moves through. But again, 10 p.m. we're looking at the opportunity for snow. This is a quick mover though, so by the time we get certainly past the early morning hours, still hanging on to a few showers early Thursday morning, then it's out of here. It's going to be much colder. Winds start to pick up out of the west, keeping those temperatures down on Thursday. But again, as we look at our expected snowfall, this is a European model. You can see basically Red River Valley areas east, about 1 to 3+ inches of snow. You head out to the west, Devils Lake Basin, James River Valley, up to an inch. Different weather model. Just want to give you some perspective here. I think the European, the one we just looked at, is going to be closer to correct, but it does look like with this weather model, maybe a little better chance of seeing a little bit more snow accumulation. Still, don't think we're going to see a whole lot. It is about the complication from travel that we're looking at when we talk about that first alert weather evening tomorrow. For Thursday, fresh snow on the ground. No snow coming down. In fact, a lot of sunshine Thursday. The problem is wind gusts, 30, 40+ miles per hour. Going to blow that snow around, give poor visibility at times. Roads will continue to be slick. Take a look at our wind gust planner. We're going to walk you about 9 a.m. Thursday morning. We're going to find winds in the 30s, even a couple low 40s. Those winds are going to strengthen as we head through the afternoon hours before eventually late afternoon starting to wind down. By the time we get to Thursday evening, Thursday night, we're in the teens, 20s. Not as big of an issue. Right now, 7 in Fargo, 7 in Moorhead. We've got 5 in Grand Forks. Generally partly cloudy sky right now. Again, generally mostly cloudy by the time we get to tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon. Teens, even some low 20s out there. Now let's take you to Friday night and Saturday. That is our next weather system we are expecting. And again, we've got for you, mostly the southern areas are going to see the best chance for seeing the accumulating snow. But the snow overall, I think, is going to creep up, just not as much when you get north of Fargo and certainly Grand Forks. So again, another system, another chance for impactful weather that could impact travel, of course. And then we're just cold. I mean, really, we're cold for the entire period. But once we get past these two systems, we look at Sunday. From Sunday all the way through next Saturday, every day lows are below 0. Highs are, varying levels of super cold.
On the bright side, if it's going to be very cold, let it be now. So when we get to hopefully spring, it'll feel like spring. We're not hitting the cold stretch then.
Right. Spring will come eventually.
When, we don't know,
right.
but it will get here.
Right.
Thanks, Russ. President Trump discussed the U.S.'s role